Hey YouTube, so today I'm gonna do a video on how to take your bird out of the cage. There's my bird, Buddy. He's a 3-4 months old budgie, very cute, a male. Just got him a few weeks ago, and yeah, he's not shy at all. Lets me stroke him, pet him. And he kind of come out of the cage on his own, so I thought I'd do a video of him coming out of the cage. So what you want to do is just like open the cage door. My cage is pretty small, so the door is also pretty small. That's that big. So we just want to take him out. Sorry about that. Open the cage door. Just leave it open for half an hour, 45 minutes. If you open the cage door for too long, maybe you want to try something else, which is what I did. Just play some budgie music or budgie songs on YouTube, just to give them motivation of that it's safe out here. So that's what I did. Play some budgie making noises from my iPod. So yeah, so now I'm gonna open the cage door. Hey there, buddy. Hold on for a sec. And yes, just open it, and then he will most likely come out of it. Come here, boy, come here. It's unexpected on how long he'll take to come out. Maybe 15 minutes, so you may want to fast forward this video. But now he seems like he wants to come out, showing some hesitation. All you want to do is not make any sudden movements, and like lower your voice down or something. Don't get too excited about him coming out on your first day. Just don't get too excited. There we go. There we go. Come on. That's a good boy. And there you have it. You just want to leave him out. Just leave the cage door open. I haven't trained him on using my finger as a pole, so I'll just use my pole to get him to get moving. He's a very good budgie. Very good budgie. Stand here. Nope. I kind of clipped his wings, so he can't really fly. Sometimes he just bang into walls and stuff like that. And yes, that is how you take your budgie out. Bye bye. See you again next time. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. Just comment to leave any comment section. If you want to leave any comments, just do it. Just post it in the comment section below. So bye bye YouTube.